Maybe I'll just do it this way.
But then he said, he went through the entire video, he said, I can't use any of this because of the language you use.
You gotta be careful.
No, like it was never,
Go.
Yeah.
created. Yeah.
We got one place.
I think this might be the best.
All right.
White? Yeah, that's good.
You guys go first. You mentioned that at the time, the strong parental fingers get involved. It's always good,
What do you want to use?
Just so happens.
Green or purple?
I guess because we have a lot of people.
I need some social media.
Oh, we got all these yellows here. Let's do.
There's some thinking into
Everything on this point. And you see
This is what I got. I'm looking. We don't have. Let's do this.
All right, think enough.
All
right, take a green. I was scared that you would then.
Well, I couldn't do that there.
No, but if you put that one here, for example, or here, then I'm screwed.
We would all be.
And then they start fighting the course.
All right, let's see. No. Ooh.
Close.
He grabs body core and using the jiu-jitsu throws it.
We all got one tile left, right?
I have two.
Okay. I only got one.
Because you were first player,
Yeah.
that's why.
There's a lot of opportunities.
There are, yes, that's true. But we need to. Place where there is a. Oh, look at that!
That happens many times.
It's reversed. Wait. No, not there. Let me see.
It's interesting because sometimes you'll just miss it, you know? Well, there's four of us here, but sometimes you'll just miss it. It'll be harder to miss now with the four of us eyeballing the game.
What I'm thinking is probably just do something like.
We'll set up an opportunity if we can.
I think your parents would. My father would love this game.
It's a gentle rain. All right, that's an opportunity. Close it out, Dennis.
I don't see anything good here.
Oh, yes.
Yellow or black.
And am I going to be able to close anything? Oh, wait. Yeah, this is my last tile. Can I close anything? Let's see. Wait. Yes. 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 That's beautiful. Double shot.
And you get a yellow, and that's the most you can do.
Oh, yeah, because we have this left. Oh, the orange. The orange. We can place the orange. So we only have blue left for us to score the 8 points.
Which means we would have to play. Well,
We did.
We won.
All right, man.
We're champions.
Nelson, just don't block me.
I'll extend somewhere. I just gotta figure
If
out
we
where
lose,
to
it's your fault.
I believe in it. I'll extend here.
All right, that's pretty safe.
We got it.
All right. Well, that means that means we win. We win with one tile, so we get 9 points.
So each tile left over is an extra point?
Each tile left over is an extra point. So we got the 8 flowers up, and
Points. Good work, team.
excellent. Good work, everybody.
Team, all right.